How to fix messenger application not working properly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your messenger application not working properly. So if you are also facing issues such as messenger application reloading or not opening or itself closing, then what you can do is just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the apps section. So just tap on the application option and just locate the messenger application. So let me just do that quickly. And once you're inside here, just tap on messenger application. And from over here, just click on this storage by scrolling down. And once you click on the storage option, just click on clear the cache and clear the data from over here. And you may have to re-log in with your login credential on your messenger application, and then finally your messenger application should successfully work. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.